Hello and welcome. You're watching Beard Does Diecast. My name is Daryl. Today we have a special edition of Beard Does Diecast. I'm a guest horseman for the Four Horsemen Diecast October build-off. The featured car is the Hot Wheels 55 Nomad and the theme is Halloween. I drew inspiration for this build from a live chat that Uncle Paulie of Diecast Graveyard hosts. The first thing I want to do is cover the opening of the sunroof. I took some measurements and plugged them into Tinkercad, then 3D printed a moonroof. Check out the Four Horsemen Diecast channel. They sponsor a different car with a different theme each month. Also check out the other guest horsemen. Each guest has their own unique style and skill that I enjoy watching. Just type Four Horsemen Diecast into the search bar. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's get started. I've already stripped the paint and drilled and tapped the posts. The moonroof is a press fit. For the effect that I'm going for, I need to remove some material from the roof. Hit the like and subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I post new videos. I use my hot knife to remove some material from the moonroof and use a file to remove all the rough edges. I secure the moonroof in place with JB Super Weld, and then I hit it with that UV light and that sets it in place. I smooth out the cracks with Bondo spot putty, but I don't want to fill in those roof lines, so I'll mask them off. I picked up the spot putty from AutoZone for about $12. I use an extra shopper's loyalty card as a putty knife to push the putty into the gaps and hide those cracks. I 3D printed some side window panels to create a delivery style Nomad. I used the spot putty to cover those gaps and cracks too. To achieve the effect I want, I need to cut the back part of the glass off with my side cutters. I sprayed the car with some gloss competition orange enamel from the Redline shop. From the front view of the car, you can see that I drilled small holes in the center of the headlights. From the top view, you can see the cutout feature. I drilled the hole for the charging port and now I square it up with my hobby knife. This goes a lot quicker on a plastic base. There's a lot of room between the interior and the base, so the battery will fit in there easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Here I'm putting on some gloss black enamel on the top. First a light tack coat, then I'll come back 15 minutes later and apply a cover coat. Also, go over to 4 Horsemen Diecast and check out the other Guest Horsemen's builds. The angle that I sprayed my cover coat allowed for the paint to seep underneath my tape edge. I had to desolder the head and tail lights so I could attach them to the car. I used the center holes I drilled in the headlights to be my center guide for larger drill bits. You've probably noticed the white screen mask on the roof. I didn't care for how it turned out, and I was a little bit at a loss of what to do next with it. I step up with larger drill bits until I get to the diameter that I think works well with the LEDs. I slid the LED wire into the hole for the headlight and checked it for fit. Looks like I need to go bigger. Once I get to the diameter that I'm happy with, it's time to put in the LEDs. I got the LED in place and adjusted, then I set it with that JB Super Weld and hit it with that UV light. I file flat the tail light area to give me a spot to start drilling. I angled my drill bit to clear the outer fender. I slide the taillight LED into place. Adjust the taillight and attach it with JB Super Weld. Then set it with that UV light. Then I do the same thing for the other side. Now it's time to resolder the lights onto the circuit board. I cut a slot into the interior so I could slide the battery, the charge port, and the button into the area between the base and the interior. I'll get it all put back together and charged up. This is what we started with. I've always liked this Speed Shop series, but we took it to a whole nother level. We dropped in a moonroof, we did a wheel swap, we covered those back windows, we put lights on it, we cut out the top and put an amber flickering lights to light this pumpkin up. I really had a lot of fun with this build, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is Beard Does Diecast. Thank you for watching, and God bless.